Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a Vinted package, and quite interestingly this is a flower painting, but apparently it's got an inbuilt photo frame in it. Now I don't think I've ever had a frame where it's had like an inbuilt photo frame before, so obviously I've done the ones on the sticky pack board and that, but let's take a look in here and yeah, take a look, and we'll get into this side as well, and hopefully let's see what it is. Now when I when I bought it, it looked pretty small, and then when I picked it up just now out of the locker I was like, oh, this is big, this is going to be big, like hello. So let me just sort this out. Just need to take it off down there. Yeah, there we go. Oh lovely. Ready? Are you ready? So let's take a look in here and see what we've got. Come on, pick up. There's a lot of tape on this. Oh. I'm getting in there. Oh, look! Oh, wow. Now, the lazy on there said that it was brand new, so, yeah, see what I mean? Framed picture kit. So, one of my friends said that apparently the frame's already built on it, and that apparently you have to drill it while it's built on, but are you ready? 3, 2, 1, Angela, you might like this. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that superb? So I'm assuming the frame is already built on there. Obviously it's really heavy, but I fell in love with that. I paid $4.99 for this, and I was like, I've so got to get that. So really happy. I've never seen these type of frame ones before. It is with Craft Buddy, so we'll take a look at that. Let's take a look inside the package. And oh yeah, look, oh wow, this is impressive. Okay, right, so let's take a look at get all this stuff out. Got some other bits and bobs in here, so have a look here. Yeah, there's nothing else in there. I've got to get into the picture first because this is just beautiful. Look at that. So what you must, oh, this is superb, isn't it? So you've got the frame there. Let's take a closer inspection into this. I never know how hard to press with these things because I don't want to, you know, damage it, but oh my god, this is superb. This really, I think these are better than the ones that have the photo stand on. But this is really impressive. So as you can see, I suspect what happens is this comes out like that, or actually there's like a little catch thing. So you flick it around the side here, that comes out, and then obviously, see the difference? Because with the ones I do, they have like a fold back paper stand, but this one is on there, and then what you do is you put that in there. Once it's drilled, put that up. I'm just going to do one catch for this time, just to give you an idea. Put actually that one round as well, but look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that superb? Oh my god, the print is fantastic. Lots of lovely different flowers, and it looks like we've got some petals down there. This is absolutely superb. If I can get more of these framed ones, that would be great because it will save me having to buy them. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh wow, I'm really happy with this. That's fantastic. So let's put that to, obviously it's up to you. I mean, obviously if you want to drill it first and then put it in, or you could put it in and then drill it already in the frame because you've got that already in there. But I think for me, I'd probably like to do it on the mat and then put it in there. But just to give you an idea, oh, do you know what, that'd be a lovely gift for my mum. She loves her flowers, so perhaps Christmas time or something, or her birthday's coming up soon, so yeah, I might do, you know, give that to her if I can get it done in time. But I do love my flowers, as you know. Okay, so we've got a tray with a, apologies about the washing machine in the background there. We've got a tray with the lovely Crystal Craft Body logo on there. You've got some bags, I'll get them out to you, Tessa, no problem there. And yeah, that's pretty good. And then in here, yeah, look at this. Oh, look. So we've got, that giraffe is gorgeous. Oh, look at that. And then here's ones for Scotty Dog House and Liz Crafts, or I can never get her channel right. But hummingbird, we've got a tiger and an elephant. Oh, do you know what? I've got to have a look at this then. If that's the case, we've got ourselves the coding here, so that's what you work by there with all your different colours. And then let's take a look at the drills, and I'm really happy with this. What a lovely, fantastic purchase. Oh, I'm really over the moon with it. Really happy. So in here we've got, so let's go this way. We've got some whites, oranges, dark greens, a couple of greens there, a peachy sort of creamy pink colour there, a nice dark red that is matching that ribbon. You wouldn't even tell there's jewels in there. And then we've got some yellows, some oranges, dark green. This is really pretty and vibrant in colour. Loads of pinks there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 nice little different shades of pink there. Absolutely gorgeous. And the yellow. So this is what I love about having a browse with different sites. Really happy with this. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. You can't get any better than that. That is absolutely, with it, the thing is as well with colours, is it really puts a smile on your face. If you're having, like, if it's very miserable weather, or you're perhaps feeling a bit down, this will brighten up your day because it's got a lovely splash of colours. I love working with splashes of colour, and it's something different than an animal, but now I know they do frames on them, I'm going to be searching around for a lot more. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. Do check out Vinted today. You may be lucky and get yourself one of these on there. I paid $4.99, absolutely perfect. 21 times 25 centimetres there. I really am over the moon. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you later.